This is almost the same as this. So yeah, this is for the new technicians who don't know, but now you would know. So right here I got a 70/7.5, and I don't have a 70/5, but I have a 60/7.5. So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding that extra 10 microfarads to bring it up to 70. So I have it jump from here to here, from Herm to common. So as you can see, here to there, here to there, and that's just on the compressor side. So when you check it, this by itself, that's what it checks out to. And let's add the other part. Alright, so that's what it checks out.